All right, completing the square. So what we're looking at is, again, our ax squared plus bx plus c. And the whole goal is basically what to do in order to find and complete the square with the c term. So what's going to happen with your test corrections, you guys are going to have something like this. 2x squared minus 6x, and then you're going to have to figure out what is c going to be to make this a complete square. So remember, we talked about complete squares as being um, something that is basically going to be the same binomial multiplied twice. So the whole process of what you're going to do is this. You're going to basically take a look at this number, your b number, and you're going to take that number and just divide it by 2. Okay, so the first step, divide by 2. So what's going to happen is as soon as you get that number, negative 6 divided by 2, I get a negative 3. That number is actually going to be your factored number here. And it's basically going to help you figure out that perfect square. Now, you're not done with this step. The next part you have to do is, now that you have this answer, whatever this answer is, I have to take it and square it. So again, that's the same thing as saying negative 3 times negative 3. So I basically do that multiplication, negative 3 times negative 3, and now we get a positive 9. As soon as you get this answer, that's where this is going to go to help you complete the square here. And that's pretty much it. So all you guys are doing is basically dividing by 2, taking whatever that result, squaring it, and then basically filling it in here. How it becomes a perfect square is basically negative 3 times negative 3 gives you that 9, and negative 3 plus negative 3 gives you the negative 6. So you're basically just doing almost like a shortcut here. Now, what goes here is basically your x term. I'm going to split it up since it's a perfect square. And just split it as x minus 3. And this is how you do that perfect square. But your test corrections, we are only looking for this number. Okay?